Here are 5 tips to help you choose the right auto body shop. One, ask your friends and family members you trust where they go. If you don't have family nearby or your friends are unsure, then you should. 2, read the shop's Google and Yelp reviews. Let's face it, most people complain more than praise. So if there's a lot of praise on these pages, the shop must be doing something right. The third way to determine if you should trust a shop is to walk in yourself and feel the vibe. Does the staff treat each other with respect? And do they keep the cars organized and clean? When you're at the shop, you can ask about their certifications and see if they offer a warranty. Every repair done at Orlando Auto Body comes with a lifetime workmanship warranty. We pride ourselves in being the best collision repair, auto body repair, and auto paint shop in the Metro Phoenix area. Our highly trained technicians repair everything from small damages like shopping cart dents to large accidents, of course only recommending factory certified OEM parts. We hope you try this 5-step process on us and then choose Orlando Auto Body as your trusted auto body shop. Follow us on social media and visit our website to get started on your free quote.
For over 30 years, Orlando Auto Body has put its customers' best interests ahead of profits.